Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 10 of English A to Z vocabulary series. Today's video is fully dedicated to J-letter words. I suppose now you must be familiar with the opening remark of the video. That is revisiting the last word which I left for my English enthusiast. And the word is intimidate. Intimidate means to make someone fearful or timid. Intimidate का मतलब है किसी को डराना या डरा के कोई उससे काम करवाना. आइए इसका एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. The manager's harsh words intimidated the team members. I hope the meaning is clear. And now we can move to the J-letter words. The very first J-letter word for the day is jettison. It has two meanings. The first is literal and the other is figurative. Let's see the literal meaning first. It means to throw or drop something from an aircraft or ship, especially to lighten the load in an emergency situation. Let's see a sentence. The crew had to jettison some cargo to lighten the load. Now let's understand the figurative meaning. To discard or reject something when considered unnecessary. The scheme was jettisoned when the government find it too costly. Well, this brings me to the second word, and that is jostle. It means to make one's way by pushing or bumping roughly against other people. To move through a crowd. इसे हम कहते हैं भीड़ में धक्का मुक्की करना. आइए इसका एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. The fans jostled to get the selfie with the actor. Now let's take the third word. Jet lag. It is a condition characterized by fatigue, trouble sleeping, and other symptoms resulting from rapid travel across several time zones, disrupting the body's internal clock. समय के बदलाव या परिवर्तन से होने वाली थकान को हम jet lag कहते हैं. Let's see a sentence for a better understanding. Crossing numerous time zones leaves many people suffering from jet lag. Now let's take the fourth word. Jocund. It is an adjective which is used to describe something or someone that is cheerful, happy, glad, and full of high-spirited merriment. इसे हम कहते हैं प्रसन्न या खुशी. कोई jocund person हो सकता है, jocund movie हो सकती है. इसका एक sentence देखते हैं. The jocund atmosphere at the party lifted everyone's spirit. And the last word for the day is jaded. It's an adjective which is used to describe a state of being worn out, tired, and lacking enthusiasm due to overexposure or overindulgence in something. इसे हम कहते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ महसूस करना या हम कहते हैं drained. आइए इसका एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. Repeatedly doing the same task made him jaded. I hope the meaning is clear. With this, we have just completed 5 J-letter words. And now, as a ritual, here's one for you. Juggernaut. I'll discuss this word next Sunday. Till then, you can give it a try. And thank you for joining me for the 10th episode of A to Z vocabulary series. I'll see you next Sunday with the new letter K.